Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the next video in the what and the how series of UiPath. My name is Mukesh Kala, 4-time UiPath most valuable professional, certified UiPath trainer and a certified solution architect. In the what and the how series of UiPath, I am trying to answer the questions which I receive over the email, comments or over just my Instagram. Feel free to connect me on the social media. We also have a WhatsApp community which you can just scan this QR and get connected. Having said that, in case you are coming to the channel for the first time and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel to get the next videos in what and the how series. As you guys already know that we have been doing the document understanding series and there are two questions which are coming repeatedly. So today in this video I am going to answer both the questions. So I'm going to cover two questions. So the first one would be this one, which is from Farooq, where he says that I am unable to find the UiPath document understanding OCR key. I am a community user. Can you tell me where do I find it, right? So first of all, we need to find the OCR key for a community user, right? The second question is from the UiPath extraction builder, which we have done, and here you can see that Rahul has asked, I am getting the below error where it says that document understanding is not enabled on the tenant. Please enable it from the admin section and reload the project, right? So these are the two questions which we are going to answer. The first one is how do you enable the document understanding on the tenant, and the second one is how do you get the OCR API key. So let's try to answer both these questions. So I am in my cloud account, cloud.uipath.com. You have to just log in with your account, and on the left menu you just have to go to this guy which says admin. Okay, so I'll click on that one and you should navigate to the admin. Now this is the admin page where you should have all the services, everything whichever you have enabled. And as you can see here, my current license is a community plan. Okay, now once you are in this page, on the left menu you would see all your tenant which you have been working on. So for me the tenant is the default tenant. I'll click on that. And now for this tenant, what all services you require, right? So for this tenant, what all services do you require? So then you can see here there is something which is called services, which says manage the services for this tenant. So I'll click on that, and here you can just add the services, like for this account I want orchestrator, action center, integration services and document understanding. In case this is not visible here, document understanding for you, you just have to go to the top right here and you would see something which is called the add services. Click on that and it should show a menu that which all services are available to you which is not already added. So in case document understanding is not visible here, you can just come here and click on these buttons, enable the document understanding, click on add, and it should be visible here. So that is how you add the document understanding service to your tenant. Right now, to launch it, you can simply go here, click on it and just click on this button which says launch, right? And it should launch the document understanding for you. And this is the same thing where you can create an automation without writing any document understanding project, right? This we have already discussed in the video, so you can just watch it. Okay, now coming to the next question. So I'll go back. Right now the next question was how do I get the API key? So for that you again have to go to this section which is the admin section. Okay, now in the admin you simply have to click on this one which is the licenses. Okay, and it will show you what is your license plan. As you can see, it's showing me that Mukesh, you are in the community plan. Then you simply click on this button which is the robot and services. And here you would see all the keys including the document understanding and the computer vision as well. In case you plan to use the computer vision, you can use it. And this is where the document understanding API key is available for you. Just click on this copy button. It should copy the API key for you and you should be able to utilize the document understanding. So I hope both these questions are answered. If you have any more questions, any more doubts, feel free to write me in the comments, and or you can also drop me an email as well. I hope you guys are enjoying the document understanding series and you are able to build a use case along with me. If you haven't started, I will post the complete use case link in a step-by-step manner for you in the description. Thank you for watching and happy automation.